Here are the crypto top headlines covered in this video. $5 XRP price moonshot looms as Ripple CEO casts bold vision for XRP's global dominance. Next, traders hope for insane pump as altcoins approach key resistance levels. Also, Ethereum gains 5% in 24 hours, start of post-ETF approval pump. Welcome to Crypto Top Headlines, where there's no clickbait thumbnails or titles, and no speeches on my opinions, just bringing crypto's news to you. We have a quick request that doesn't cost you anything in order to help. Help us grow this channel to 1,000 subscribers by September, which would be our channel's 1-year anniversary. All we ask is that you click on the like and subscribe buttons, as well as the notification bell. By clicking on these, it does help grow the channel, so thank you in advance for doing so. Now, on to these headlines. Our first top headline, $5 XRP price moonshot looms as Ripple CEO casts bold vision for XRP's global dominance. The Ripple community and other executives have displayed optimism about Ripple and the XRP ecosystem. Notably, XRP supporters are convinced that XRP's intrinsic value could help the token morph into a global in-demand asset and balloon to the much coveted $5 price. Strengthening the community's sentiments, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse made a remarkable revelation. In a recent post shared to X, formerly Twitter, the Ripple boss revealed that he had hung an image carrying the words, "Laugh now, but one day XRP will power the world," on a wall in his home. Explaining that the current market condition prompted him to share the image, he wrote the following: "For whatever reason, I've been hanging on to this one for a while. Prob my all-time favorite from the XRP community. It's been hanging on a wall in my house, but with all this momentum in the market, I wanted to share it." Like many other crypto executives, Garlinghouse seems excited about the recent developments recorded in the cryptocurrency space. Prior to his post on XRP, the crypto proponent expressed excitement about the recent approval of an Ethereum ETF. Big momentum in crypto this week. ETH ETF passed, and bipartisan support on crypto legislation feels like hell has frozen over, he wrote. The future for XRP, bullish or bearish? Future expectations for XRP being bullish or bearish largely depend on a handful of factors, with one of the notable ones being the ongoing lawsuit between Ripple and the SEC. Recall that the SEC requests $2 billion in penalties for Ripple's alleged sale of unregistered securities. A loss for Ripple could affect the market sentiments on affiliated assets like XRP. However, victory for Ripple could also translate to victory for XRP, as sentiments will likely become even more positive. Meanwhile, the recent approval of the Financial Innovation and Technology for the 21st Century Act, or FIT21 bill, a major crypto legislation cleared earlier in the week, could introduce more twists and turns for Ripple, XRP, and the SEC. At report time, XRP and other leading altcoins are recording a little over 2% daily gains. Notably, the global cryptocurrency market cap has surged by 2.46%, bringing the total market cap to $2.63 trillion, with daily, weekly, and monthly losses currently totaling 6.93%. XRP is trading at a press time price of 53 cents. Let me pause here for a moment. If you're getting value out of this video, please click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Our next top headline, traders hope for insane pump as altcoins approach key resistance levels. Growing altcoin market cap and a decline in Bitcoin dominance have spurred renewed hopes for alt season. Analysts are speculating again about a potential start to alt season after a recent surge in total altcoin market capitalization, including Ether, which is now approaching a key resistance level. Crypto traders and analysts have been eyeing altcoins following Ether's 27% gain over the past 7 days. Altcoin total market capitalization is currently around $1.16 trillion, according to TradingView. It has increased 15% over the past fortnight and is approaching resistance levels from mid-March when it topped $1.2 trillion. On May 26th, trader Tardigrade told his 50,000 followers on X that the altcoin market could surge 3 times its total market cap if it manages to break out from an inverse head and shoulders pattern. It is expected to break out in a few weeks' time. According to this pattern, they added. On May 26th, trader and analyst Rect Capital observed that the altcoin market cap is set to perform its highest weekly close since early April 2024. Meanwhile, technical analyst Yoda said expect some insane pump in alts when this breaks above the weekly resistance in a post on X on May 26th. Analyst Mustache shared a similar chart with his 120,000 followers on X, stating alt season is just around the corner. Analysts have also observed that in previous cycles, Bitcoin prices moved first, followed by Ether, and then altcoin markets, and capital tends to flow down the chain into lower cap coins. Bitcoin market dominance has declined 3.7% over the past fortnight to 53.9%, another sign of strengthening altcoin markets. In a post on X on May 25th, MN Trading founder Michael van de Poppe observed that the recent market correction, which was around 25%, entailed a 50 to 70% correction for altcoins. He predicted that in this cycle, total market capitalization would reach $15 trillion, a gain of 450% from current levels of $2.7 trillion. Total crypto capitalization has been range-bound for the past 3 months between $2.9 trillion in mid-March and the correction low of $2.3 trillion on May 1st, according to CoinGecko. Our next top headline, Ethereum gains 5% in 24 hours, start of post-ETF approval pump. ETH has come within $70 of the psychological $4,000 price level during early trading on May 27th. The price of Ether is closing in on $4,000 during early trading on May 27th, rising 5% over the past 24 hours and prompting hope it could be the beginning of Ether's post-ETF approval pump. The asset gained almost 5% on the day to hit an intraday high of $3,930, according to Cointelegraph data. ETH also tapped a similar price just days ago when spot Ether ETFs were first approved on May 23rd. This has given ETH a 27.5% gain over the past week, eclipsing Bitcoin, which has gained just 3.8% in the same time frame. On May 27th, analyst Matthew Hyland told his 143,000 X followers that ETH has confirmed a bullish divergence and a break of the downtrend with an increase in volume, further validating the breakout. The big weekly move has spurred a wave of predictions from industry analysts and observers. In a May 26th post on X, DeFinance Capital founder Arthur Cheong predicted that ETH would reach $4,500 even before spot ETFs are launched. He held a poll on X on May 25th asking how much ETH was allocated to his followers' portfolios. Nearly half of the 5,800 respondents had between 0 and 25% allocation, prompting Cheong to observe, "Just look at how much CT is underallocated to ETH." Meanwhile, Ethereum educator Anthony Sansano predicted that MicroStrategy founder Michael Saylor would buy ETH within the next 6 to 12 months. Bitcoin prices surged more than 70% to all-time high in the 2 months that followed the spot BTC ETF approvals in the United States. If Ether mimics BTC, A similar move could propel prices to an all-time high of around $6,000 by the end of July. Ether's big move has had other effects on the crypto ecosystem. Decentralized finance, or DeFi, total value locked, has returned to its highest level for 2 years at $117 billion, with 60% of that locked on the Ethereum network, according to DeFi Llama. Meanwhile, Ethereum Layer 2 networks are nearing a collective all-time high in total value, locked at around $47 billion, according to L2Beat. So this concludes Crypto Top Headlines. If you haven't already done so, don't forget to click on the like and subscribe buttons as well as the notification bell. Also, leave your thoughts in the comments and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you all for watching Crypto Top Headlines, bringing crypto's news to you.